Hey everybody, welcome back. It's me, Robert, again. Today we're going to be introducing Wheel Wednesday and talking about your wheels. Now, it's important to rotate your wheels and tires to help distribute wear more evenly and can help extend the life of your current set. We're going to be identifying 5 common wear conditions that you might see on your wheels to let you know when it's time to come and visit us. The first common wear condition is alignment tire wear. Alignment tire wear occurs when there is a vehicle misalignment. The second common wear condition is center of tire wear. This occurs when tires are running with too much air pressure. Remember that most passenger vehicles recommend tire pressure between 33 and 35 psi, but always double check with your vehicle owner's manual. The third common wear condition is flat spots on tires. Too much skidding or brakes locking up can cause flat spots on tires. The fourth common wear condition is irregular tire wear. Irregular tire wear occurs when the tire belt, separation, or worn suspension. The fifth common wear condition is edge of tread worn. When your tires are underflated, the edges of your tread get worn. Tire rotations are vital to maintain tire life on your car and to maintain the traction while driving. We want you to stay safe and to save money from always buying tires. When you start seeing any of these tread worn marks, it may be time to come pay us a visit. We are always ready to serve you, and we are open from Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. through 6 p.m. and on Saturdays, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. We're here anytime to help you out. Y'all stay safe and we'll see you next time.